All right, today we are here with
Chloe,
who is a
beginner skateboarder.
I thought you were a professional skateboarder. All these years you've been lying to me. Okay, we're here with Chloe, beginner skateboarder, and we're gonna test the Walmart board versus the Target board versus the Braille Best Beginner Complete. And we're gonna rate every component of the board. Starting with the Walmart board, where do you wanna start?
Let's do the trucks.
You wanna start with the trucks? Okay,
Yeah.
Start with the trucks. It's kind of a brutal
Plastic.
place to start.
I know.
One word, plastic. Just like my surgery.
Where did you get
Just start the rumors now. Aaron Cairo got plastic surgery. Yes, start it. My nose wasn't big enough, so I plastic surgery'd it up to be a little bigger. Okay, so the trucks are plastic on the Walmart board. Brown, brown, brown.
These ones are metal.
Okay, so this is from Target. This is from Walmart. That's from BrailleSkateboarding.com.
Yep.
And what brand are we rocking with here?
This one is Redo.
Redo brand.
Redo.
Redo, okay.
This one is, these are mini logo trucks.
Mini logo, who makes that?
Mini logo.
Pal Peralta makes mini logo. Pal makes the mini logos.
I actually knew that, but that's okay.
I know, you're just trying to throw me through it.
I just have to be very beginner. Okay, so this one is plastic made by, I don't know,
Made by-
Mad Gear,
Mad Gear,
Australia.
all imported all the way from Australia. But does this have a riser built in? Is that a good thing?
Oh, I didn't notice that. I don't know
Wow.
if that's a good thing.
I don't know either. Okay, so you rated that. You're gonna skate them and test it.
Okay.
Which one's first? You gotta rate them also as you go.
Okay, well,
1 to 10.
Well, I don't know the trucks yet until I skate them, right?
Exactly. So skate them and then rate them.
Skate them and rate them.
Yeah. Well, we're going straight to the big guns. Wow. She's like, I forgot what a real skateboard feels like, and they just fell down. Bow, bow, bow. Chloe, you're flying. I've never seen you go so fast in my whole life.
Okay, that was good.
Pretty good, right?
Pretty good.
Okay.
Here is my beginner question.
Here is my beginner question.
Other than like plastic versus metal,
Yeah.
how do I know what the trucks are contributing to the skate experience?
Yeah, so you're gonna turn and you want it to feel a smooth turn, and you don't want it to stick too hard or something like this. You just wanna be able to skate normally.
Okay.
So just feel how it turns, how it feels under your feet.
Okay, so it has a lot to do with the turning.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, when you're riding it, I mean, there's no real other thing other than the truck braking.
Right.
I mean, just the sound of that, it just sounds wrong compared to the Best Beginner Complete, but maybe I'm biased, I don't know. Yeah?
Okay, I'm not saying it until the end.
Yeah, good. I like it. The suspense is killing me. Dying to know. 1 to 10 rating. All right, Mad Gear, this is Walmart. Yeah, yes. Straight shredding. Wow, Chloe. I've never seen someone shred so hard. Shout out Mad Gear Australia. Can we send a sponsor me video into Mad Gear Australia?
Yes, please, someone.
Okay, rate it.
So this one is a 9.
Okay, a 9. On the truck specifically.
On the truck specifically, it's so smooth.
So smooth.
This one is a 6.
You rate the last one and I have tons of questions.
That one's a 3, honestly.
Wow, 9, 6, 3.
Yeah,
I have a feeling most of the items are gonna go that way,
I
but
think so too.
tell me why.
Okay, this one is super smooth, easy.
On the turning.
Yeah, and it feels stable.
Yeah,
This one does not feel stable at all
right.
on the turning. And then this one is kind of in the middle. Like it's not too unstable, but it's not as stable as this one.
It's really interesting the quality of the actual materials and how it ends up with the skateboarding experience. Okay, I'm fascinated. Okay, so that was the trucks. Next, we're going bearings.
Okay, bearings, like, so I'm looking at speed.
Well, you're a total beginner, I don't know. I'm just gonna say bearings and you figure out your own way to rate it and then tell me what you like, don't like, dislike, very like.
Okay.
Shredding, straight shredder.
Okay.
What are you thinking?
I'm not gonna say until the end.
Oh yeah, the suspense.
Okay, bearings. Okay.
Why'd you jump off?
Got it, because I was gonna fall.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, well then just wait till you get to the Mad Gear. Mad Gear Australia, first try. Yes, yes. It sounds so glorious. Sounds like you're grating teeth in a dishwasher. Lovely, just
Okay.
lovely.
Okay, good.
Now I'm waiting for the rating. Who still got it? I cannot wait until I can skateboard again. It's killing me.
So this one, 9.
Yeah? Wait, let me guess. 6'3"? No, 6'3".
5'4".
Really?
No, 5'3".
Really?
I hate to criticize though.
It's not criticized. It's just
I
a
know.
rating.
But because I know that they put a lot of work into it. And honestly, if you want to get that one, that's great.
Because if you're learning how to skateboard, you're learning how to skateboard, and that's what matters. Nothing else matters. You learn how to kickflip? Great. Good job.
That's right. So yeah, that's the rating on that.
Okay, so 9.
9, 5, 3.
So she's saying the Target board is a 5 and the Walmart board is a 3.
But no bias. I'm actually not being biased on the best beginner complete. I thought I would be, but I'm being real.
Seems awfully biased. I think you literally invented this board for beginners.
I did.
And we worked long and hard to make this the best beginner complete skateboard. Which is why we call it Best Beginner Complete.
Look at how hard I was shredding. Do you see that?
Yeah, you were shredding. It's an absolute fact. Okay, next
You
we're
want
going.
to know why though?
Yeah, why?
Okay.
No, I don't, but you tell me anyways.
So this one, it's very smooth sailing, not like a shaky bumpiness.
Yeah.
This one, it was definitely a little more unstable in terms of the smoothness.
Yeah.
This one was very unstable and
The thing-
rickety.
The thing that I always used to preach with the Walmart boards is if you're a brand new skater, I don't want you to start with this and then be like, skateboarding is so hard. Whereas if you had this, you would be like, it's not that hard, I can do it.
That's true, very true.
I just want people to keep skating.
I know, me too.
Okay, so that's the bearings. Now, what's next? I'm gonna let you choose.
This is so close to my face.
Really? This is closer. Choose next.
Let's do the wheels.
Wheels. Okay, I was thinking the wheels, and you chose the wheels.
Great.
Great minds think alike.
So this one, wheels.
Wheels. You're being wheelie serious.
I
My
get
puns are even
it.
worse than Gabe's.
Okay, good.
Feeling it. Looks pretty good. She's rolling. I like to see Chloe when she gets a little bit confident and then she starts pushing faster and faster. Oh, there she goes.
Okay.
I'm interested to see how you yourself try to differentiate between the wheels and the bearings.
I know, I was thinking that.
Yeah, me too. She almost fell on that first push. I don't know if you noticed that.
Okay, I think I got it. Okay, so this one is an 8.
Okay, 8 on the wheels.
Yeah.
Tell me everything.
I'm judging it by like scratchiness.
Yeah?
So like how scratchy it feels on the pavement.
Okay.
This one is very smooth.
Scratchiness. I've never heard a skater say, wow, I got these new wheels and they're so scratchy. Maybe because they don't skate scratchy wheels. What up, boy? First try.
This one, okay, hold on, let me remember.
You can skate it again. See these ridges?
Yeah,
It's like ruffles.
ruffles.
You know the chips with the ridges?
Okay, this one has gotta be a 5
Okay.
because of the shakiness of them.
Yeah.
Scratchiness is really all I can say. And this one is a 3.
Yeah. It's interesting. I think it's actually the result of how much plastic versus urethane is in there or something.
Oh.
There's some material in there that's just a bit not quite right.
Yeah,
Know what I mean?
scratchy.
Yeah, just a bit scratchy, mate.
Okay, last, oh no, there's grip and deck.
Grip, deck, if you even want to go as far as hardware. I don't know if you want to go that far.
I have no idea how I'll judge that.
By the looks, I guess. Okay.
I guess we could do hardware. By the
what's
looks,
next?
by the looks.
Okay,
'Cause
so
I
what's
know what my
next?
favorite is. Next is grip tape.
Okay, grip tape it up.
It's hard to do the grip tape.
Why?
Maybe I just practiced an ollie because
Practice? You can do an ollie, you don't need to practice.
because you can't, when you're riding, you don't really feel the grip tape.
Yeah, you do. You feel how grippy it is.
When you're just riding
Yeah.
around,
Grip it up. Wow. Forgot to hit the tail on the ground. Do the practice steps.
okay.
Yep, 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, now 1, 2. First try. Gotta hit that tail on the ground, girl.
I know.
So you're
it's-
really gonna ollie all the nightmare boards? No way.
Absolutely, I'll
Capping.
ollie them.
I'm calling capping.
I'll be
Colin Kaepernick.
No cap.
No cap. All facts, no printer.
Okay, good. I got that one.
Okay, did you?
Did you really though? Got it good enough for right now.
See, this is where it gets really interesting because the parts of the board that were bad before could be an advantage learning the tricks because you don't roll very well.
I know, exactly. Definitely not as grippy though.
Yeah. First try? How does that not stay in your pocket?
I don't know. I'm just being...
That's the mic.
I'm jumping too high.
Yeah, you're really jumping too high. Yeah, shredder.
Okay, okay.
Okay, 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 okay. Okay, okay. First try?
Okay, one more and then I'll rate them. I can't.
What's happening? You loosen the trucks too much.
Yeah, the trucks are too loose.
You got this. You got this. Wow.
Okay.
I'm gonna lie, for how bad you looked before, that was the best ollie. You were like...
Okay, so grip-wise...
Yeah, how's the grip? How's the grip gripping?
I mean, really actually not bad. I would say 8,
Yeah?
6, 6.
8, 6, 6. Okay.
Yeah, not bad.
Comparable.
Yeah.
Wow. Get your local skate shop now.
Are you just zoomed in on my nose or something? You're so
Yeah.
close.
How's that?
Too close.
Give the people what they want. So you got the grip, you got the everything except for the hardware and the deck.
Yeah. Okay, so
And
deck,
should we make her do a brake test?
that's it.
Hardware next.
You actually think I'm actually gonna break one?
Yeah, you can.
I cannot.
Yeah, you can.
So hardware, this one is automatically the winner because of the 2 blue bolts.
And what does that blue bolts mean?
So I know which one is the nose and which one is the tail.
Yeah, truth.
So that's 10, because
Okay.
they're blue.
And those ones are 9?
These ones
Is it-
are covered in plastic,
Yep.
so I'm giving them a 4.
Wow, that was way low. That was low blow.
I know, I'm being harsh. This one also a 4.
Okay, the deck. Straight to the deck.
To the deck, okay.
Oh, do a popcorn.
Oh, popcorn.
You just try and break it? Yeah. Popcorn. Good. First try.
Okay.
Maybe the popcorn should be the overall rating. That could be the deck rating.
I think this is a 9 ply, right? Count the plies, there's 9 of them.
7?
No, that's 9. Look it up.
Okay,
3,
do the other
4,
boards.
5, 6, 7. Oh, maybe it is 7. No, I think it might be 9.
Wow, first try? You're a real skater now. 8 years later, you got the popcorn down, set.
Okay.
First try? Every board, first try. Well done.
Oh, thank you. Took years to do that. Deck-wise,
Yeah.
that one is a 10.
Which one is that one? Gotta go grab it.
Oh, sorry. This one is a 10 deck. It's really nice.
Yep,
This one is a 7. Not bad.
not bad.
This one is an 8.
Okay.
Do you know why?
Why?
Because it feels thicker and a little more sturdy.
Really?
Yeah. What I know is this one is first place.
Yeah, first place. That's the winner.
Second place,
Yep,
everyone's a winner here. This is third place.
yep. If you guys are brand new to skateboarding, go to brailleskateboarding.com and get the best beginner complete because it is the best
Beginner complete.
We hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.